everyone, Tessa here. So I just got this spice rack and I am going to put it together so I can show you how to do it. So let's get this and we put it in here. Get another one. Okay, now the other side. Another one. Okay. All right. Number two. Again. This one. Let's see, so then you can have this right here. You can have the shelf down here if you want. I want it up higher because I need tall things to go in here. A little hooky thing, geez, so you can hang stuff from here. There you go, that's it. And it's really solid. This is great. Can't wait to put my spices on there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.